Okay, so did you see all the beets that were on the Beets? Not that kind. Hey y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a water, and I want to know, do you know or do you eat beets? I don't think I know anybody, so if you do, then you need to comment and let me know so then I can go, oh, well, I actually do know somebody. I stopped in Tom Thumb today to get some protein. I got some fajita meat because we're going to have quesadillas for lunch, but then I forgot to have a lunch appointment, so I guess the office will have quesadillas, and I'll have whatever's at the restaurant we go to. So I was going down the vegetable aisle to get to the meat section, and I happened to notice there was like a lot of beets. Okay, so did you see all the beets that were on the Beets? Not that kind. I personally think that that is a significant amount of shelf space devoted to a vegetable that I don't know that anybody eats. And do you make any dishes with beets, or is it just you eat the beets? I don't know. And of course, Dwight from The Office, Beets, Bears, Battlestar Galactica. Actually, it was Jim that said that line, and that was when he was pretending to be Dwight, like he dressed like Dwight. Do you remember that episode? Yeah, it was a good one. So again, I think maybe the older population, which I'm not quite there yet, eats beets, but I really don't know anybody that eats beets. And y'all, it was like prime shelf space because it was like right like eye level ish, and it wasn't at the bottom, it wasn't at the top, it was just right in the middle. Not that I'm overly concerned with the marketing strategies of Tom Thumb or Randall Stores or Safeways or anything like that, but I'm just saying. I just don't know anybody that eats beets. And so I'm like, I would have put, I don't know, like something else. And then y'all, right next to it was something called Heart of Palm, which I was like, I don't even know what that is either. And I Googled it, and it's part of a palm tree. I have never heard of anybody eating that, like ever. Next to it was artichoke hearts, which I have heard of, like spinach artichoke dip. I've heard of that, but heart of palm, someone eating beets? And my foodie friend Noreen probably has like a recipe for beets and probably a recipe for heart of palm too, but I don't know anybody that eats it. That's what I want to talk about today. Do you eat beets? Do you know anybody that eats beets? Do you eat beets? Also, if you eat heart of palm, let me know that too. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome, and on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life though, because that's creepy.